Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can check the price of gas fees for the Ethereum network. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the first step you can do is you can head to CoinMarketCap, and if you go up and check, you can check the Ethereum gas fees. So for the slow it's around 66, for the standard is also 66, and for a faster transaction it's 69. And this GUI is 1 billionth of one Ethereum, and it is used to measure the gas fees on the Ethereum network. And the second method how you can track the gas fees on different platforms is simply go to etherscan.io, wait for it to load, and at the top you can see the gas fees is 61 GUI. Now, if we go ahead and click on it, it's showing over here also. We'll go and click on this. Now, as you can see, the low is 67, 67, and 70 high. So, which is pretty much the same which is mentioned on the coin market cap, and it gets updated every, I think, 10 to 15 seconds. Let's see. Now, see, as it got updated, it's lesser now as compared to it was back 15 seconds back. Now see, if you see this, it's getting updated again. And now if you check the estimated cost of transaction actions on OpenSea, it's like the low average is like around $9, and this is like $9.30. On Uniswap it's very high. As you can see, it's $22. For USDT transfer it's $6.71. Sushi Swap, Curve. So as you can see, it's showing the gas fees on different decentralized exchanges. And if you go more down and check the highest fee, as you can see on Compound Collect, it's like close to $160, which is very high. And even if we go more down, as you can see, Blur Execute is close to $80. The problem with Ethereum is like it has huge gas fees as compared to other networks like Cardano and Binance Smart Chain, where the gas fees are pretty low. So usually I love to hold the tokens on other networks because I avoid paying the gas fees which is huge on Ethereum network. Although Ethereum network has huge advantages as compared to other networks is because there are a lot of D apps, decentralized applications you can say, on the Ethereum network, and it has a higher use case as compared to the other networks. So this is how you can check the gas fees on the Ethereum network. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.